Hello everyone. Hello. This is Social Media Wahala TV. So if you never subscribe, go hit the subscribe button. As you now know, na me be the same Lady J. So if you never subscribe for this channel, to go subscribe. And Lady J, you see they go on, not be say not they go on, but this one are the second channel now for backup, you know. So my people, I want to talk about the one video when I see when you do this with the art film una know ana edoche. So wetin it talk na truth. This is staying at home. The same we stay house, no problem, we will stay house. Europe good though, at least they'll say you stay house, at least they'll say they give small things, una understand. So everybody they stay house. Africa stay at home, yeah. But wetin our president they do about am now, as in staying at home na good thing, but you they give them money every month. You they give them money, say at least, because you go favor the rich, but the poor unko. The poor unko we be say that now if they not sell, they don't go eat. Like all those people we be say they sell pure water, they sell fish, they sell no, they sell those are where they sell food, the same that they come. Those are where they sell pure water, where they sell things, they put for head, where get 3 children, get 4 children. How they want to feed their children? Why be say Africans we not go fit do like Europe? We don't go fit do the way Oyibo they do. Oyibo now at least they'll say me they stay at home, they'll see they give them small money, worry about Africa. It not be like that. Africa not be like that. They not go give them, but they'll say stay at home. Stay at home because of the virus. But una they help them. Una they help them at least. Now see they help them. I like what you talk. Una say at least even though na 100,000 una they give them every month, they go they happy safe. Because now everybody go want something they manage itself. Stay at home. Una not give them anything. Una the same they stay at home. Like seriously, Like seriously, you hear what the guy talk? Say the message for Instagram where people they send for him. I beg make it help their account door full. Not be only one. Many people when they go they send accounts give. Say make they help them. Why they know they send that those accounts to senators, to the politicians, to the presidents, all of no they send out to them. When they say stay at home, una not give them money. Say more tell they eat more tell they feed. I'll put the video when you on talk. It makes sense. That make I say I want shook mouth put. It makes sense for what you talk. It makes sense. Where stay at home. Una not give them anything. Una they say me they stay at home. She been at their only to the wash and then they go to do for us every day. Only to the wash and to sanitize their hand. They not go eat. Stay at home. But what did they go eat? They not go eat. Una they even reason that one. At least, maybe they reason all those things now. Maybe we see help the people where we say they don't get. If there's at least our president, you do something about him. You they always they travel. I believe say you they expose. You they travel. Since try they do wetin Oyibo, they do wetin they do. At least stay at home. Una not give them anything. Una they say make they stay inside house. Now she be they go they eat their hand for inside house, or they go they drink so water, or they wash only their hand like wetin Parara talk. Is it now only to the wash hand that we go they do every day? Una not go say una not see wetin Donald Trump wetin he do. Una not see am. You see make all of them stay at home because they give them $500 abi make they say they eat. Yeah, because many people now will be the work, they stop work all because of this staying at home. But we are not help them, we are not do anything. We are the same they stay at home. Africa, where we go take wise, where we go take they behave like Oyibo. When when the world want end, I be now we not fit do one now. Now when the world want end, now we go do one. Like seriously. Stay at home. Una not going to do anything. Una not going to help us. Nothing. Now they say stay at home. I beg, we will say they help because many people they not get food to eat. How they want to feed? Stay at home. You must buy things for us. Like as we do for Europe, everybody buy things for us. Okay, Africa, the people will not get money. We don't have the same money, don't want to buy something for us. I bet they'll dash them the things. They don't dash them now. More I say the reason the poor. More the reason the poor. Eh? At least all those big churches where be say they are mad, they make them stay at home, they say they don't go stay. All those big churches, una not go help una member. Now all those offering where they give una, not supposed to help them now. Yeah, they need una now. They need una now. Mona help them. At least all those tithes they don't pay for una, because I know so una not get God number. One want to give them. So at least mona say they help the poor, make the poor at least make the thing see make they see they happy say at least they see they see food they eat, they see they expect money every month. All those widow, all those people wey say they not get husband, all those people wey say that they suffer, because now only the rich now they stay at home go favor, and not go favor people wey not get. And now they say stay at home, light, NEPA, like seriously. Okay, people stay at home. They fit television. They not go see watch. Now go they up. Now go they take light every minute. Who not can get generator? Uncle. Should be that fuel they put for the generator. I don't want to come out to go buy for more. They say stay at home because of this virus. Stay at home. Okay, they not go buy fuel for generator. More I see they leave light for African people. More they leave light. I see when cheesy they even they no the other girl, what it be her name? Oh, not be cheesy, boo. Tico, Destiny Tico. What should they say? Lights they off everything. Then they say make they stay at home, but no lights. Like seriously, Mona see they leave lights for them. Mona leave lights for them. They need lights now. I basically you're there as light no go day. Like we don't go fit to for Europe. They don't they take lights. They who does that? We don't want for the happen. Africa, we can never learn. Ghana, they don't. If they want to take light, they announce them for Ghana. They go announce and say they want to take light to only how many days they take light that the way they call the riot. They say they not go agree. Nigeria, when we want to wise, when we go take get sense, when now when the world want end. Una not go bring light. Una see they say, oh, they see some video with all they say where they can't pay light be. Which light una give them when they pay light be? Which light? Light una go give them after many minutes una don't take them back again. Una they leave light for them now. Eh? See how so person need lights now. Person not go watch television. Person not go use phone. You not go charge your phone. Wanna leave light for them. NEPAs. Now when I made the talk to so. Leave light for African people. Stay at home, no light. Eh? Now not they need light because before now everybody will just think about for us, go do one or two things. But now staying at home. They're not fit. So when I see they leave light for them. They need light now. Who wants to stay without light? You know they. Eh? I beg African people, Mona say they use number 6. Mona they use them. Eh? So Buhari, now this time they're supposed to help your people. Help them. Share money, give people. Stay at home. You not share money, give anybody. The same way they stay at home. Like seriously. Eh? You go favor the rich, you don't go favor the poor. So I beg, do something about them. So anybody who will see this video, share them, I beg. Let me share the video because the thing they provoke me. Share this video for me. Please, please, please. Thank you, everybody. Eh? Stay at home and not give them food and not give them anything. I beg anybody who see this video, make you help me share and make you reach. Buhari said make you reach in hand. Make you reach everybody in hand. Eh? Wanna help them. Wanna help the poor. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remain your one and only Lady J. Bye.